Uric acid is a waste product formed when the body breaks down purines, which are found in many foods. When uric acid levels get too high, they can lead to gout, kidney stones, and other health issues. To prevent complications, you should avoid foods that are high in purines and can trigger uric acid buildup. Here are 6 major foods to avoid if you have high uric acid. 1. Red meat, beef, lamb, and pork contain high amounts of purines, which can increase uric acid production. Regular consumption can worsen symptoms of gout and lead to joint pain. Better alternatives: chicken, in moderation, plant-based protein like lentils or tofu. 2. Organ meats, liver, kidneys, brain, and other organ meats are extremely high in purines. They can significantly raise uric acid levels and should be strictly avoided. Better alternatives: lean poultry or fish with lower purine content. 3. Certain seafood, shellfish, shrimp, crab, lobster, sardines, anchovies, mackerel, and tuna are rich in purines and should be avoided by people with high uric acid levels. Better alternatives: low purine fish like salmon or tilapia, in moderation. 4. Sugary beverages and fructose, soft drinks, fruit juices with added sugar, and foods high in high fructose corn syrup can increase uric acid production. Fructose metabolism in the liver produces uric acid, leading to elevated levels in the bloodstream. Better alternatives: water, herbal teas, and natural fruit-infused water. 5. Alcohol, especially beer and liquor. Beer and spirits are loaded with purines and can drastically increase uric acid levels. Alcohol also dehydrates the body, reducing its ability to flush out uric acid. Better alternatives: occasional red wine, in moderation, or non-alcoholic drinks. 6. Processed and fried foods. Fast foods, processed meats, and deep-fried foods contain unhealthy fats that trigger inflammation and increase uric acid levels. Better alternatives include home-cooked meals with fresh vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, like olive oil. By avoiding these 6 foods and making healthier choices, you can effectively manage uric acid levels and reduce the risk of gout and other related health issues.